Good morning everyone, so we are off to Ma'au, taking off from another road trip on our bikes and trying to find this waterfalls that we went to, or tried to get to last time, but we never found. So this is our round two, and this is our adventures. So last time we tried to go up to the waterfalls, we couldn't find it. No one really knew where the waterfalls were because we just heard about it by word of mouth, and all the locals didn't know where it was at all, so kind of had to go to another set of waterfalls, but it was an okay day. We are ready to go. Just waiting at another gas station, waiting for the last member of the crew. Got all the Mios ready to go. So we just got to Murcia, we're stopping here and we are having some breakfast.
What do you want? Very good.
We just got to Ma'au and we're in the pine tree forest. This is one of the clues to get to the waterfalls. And now we gotta find the other clues. So it seems like we're kind of getting a rerun of last time. We're stopping a couple places trying to get directions, and we're getting wrong directions it seems. So hopefully this guy can give us good directions. Mitchie's getting some map pointers here. We are off to the waterfalls. You ready? Alright, so we found ourselves a guide, and he's on a bike too. And he said he knew where the place was, but he kind of led us to this really nice apartment building in the middle of nowhere. Check it out. Really nice terrace up top. Really nice places. I wonder if they rent these out. Alright, so our guide didn't really know which way we were going to this waterfalls, and now we are at the barangay captain's and we are asking for directions from the barangay captain. Michi loves these kind of adventures. Get lost and trying to find new things, new places.
Let's go hurry.
What did he say?
We're going up, and then we're gonna.
What? Did he say it's up there?
Yeah, let's go.
So we just got confirmation the waterfalls is indeed up this road, so we are off and we are searching more. This is definitely a hard road to get up with these little Mios. Very rocky and very gravelly, so they're kind of just spinning out, so the girls are walking. But we are making our way up here. Alright, we just got a place to park our bikes. We are gonna go for a 1 kilometer walk to go find the waterfalls. And we're stopping here at a cock farm. Look at all these cocks. We are gonna go find this mysterious waterfall. They said at first it was 1 kilometer hike, now it's turned into a 2-hour hike. So we will see. Alright, so we're walking through the jungle, heading to the secret waterfalls, and it is freaking hot today. As you can tell, I'm sweating up a storm. The roads when we were coming up here were really bad. we were spinning out and stuff, so we parked at the guide's house. But after we went up a little bit further, we found the roads are good pretty much all the way to the mountain, so we just kept riding our bikes. But oh well, good exercise, and we're making our way up the mountain. Well, we are super close to the waterfalls. Mission is almost complete. This is what nomadic in the Philippines is all about. We like to go take off to very remote, very cool new places that not many travelers have ever been before. And this is a new one on our list. We finally made it after about an hour and a half of hiking to the Secret Falls. It looks like from here on out it's all wading through water to get to the falls. Very nice, clean, clear water. Look at this. So clear. Batoy is doing his tiger pose. Oh my god, it's so warm. Get a load of these guys. Oh my god. Photo shoot. Photo shoot. Why is the water so warm, babe?
Because it's sulfur.
Sulfur? Really?
You don't know that smell? Sulfur.
I don't know the smell of sulfur, I guess. Taking a big chance, taking our expensive G4 camera through the waterfalls, and we're gonna go get some good shots. My god, is this freaking place nice. I don't know what it's called. It's a secretive spot. We had to talk to a lot of people to find this place. We finally found it. Oh my god, it's like a Hotsprings almost. Whoa. Do not want to fall in with this camera. We are going to make our way up the waterfalls, see what we can see. Oh, it feels like it's getting warmer. Alright, this is kind of maybe there's more going on, but right now we're just chilling in these little spots. It's so nice and hot and warm. So really nice. This is definitely worth a 1.5 hour drive to 1.5 hour hike up here. Really cool. Look at that. So nice. Holy shit, this place is pretty much a hot tub. So I would say at least, say 50, 60 degrees in this freaking thing, so very nice and hot. Feels like the same temperature, maybe a little bit colder than a regular hot tub, but god, it's nice. Look how white it is from all the sulfur. Just comes right off. Sulfur bath. We made it! Yeah, we made it! Mission complete! This is probably one of the nicest waterfalls we've ever found in the Philippines. Usually they're so freaking cold you can barely stay in them for like more than 5 minutes. They're just like ice cold. But this is obviously coming from a volcano or something deep inside the island.
It's so nice, this water.
Ano? Automatic nga. Tama, no? Balik ito, te.
Well, that's it for our Sulfur Hotsprings Waterfall trip. Very nice place. I still don't know the name of this waterfall, but man, is it nice. Holy shit. Very cool spot. You can drive to pretty much the walking spot. There's parking there, and it's probably 35-40 minute walk. It's really nice to come here. We're pretty much on the edge of Mt Kanlaon, and I'm guessing this is where all the hot water is coming from the volcano. So really nice place. We heard about this place, but the friend of a friend did not tell us the location, so we had to search hardcore. Wow, this is a really nice look out here. Check it out. Very nice view.
Matento dito solo? No.
Very nice view. See very, very far. A little bit hazy over there, but you can see all the way to the ocean. We thought this was like a house or something when we were coming up, but I guess it's a lookout. Very nice little spot for a lookout.
Against the light.
Pine tree forest right there. We're heading home. Damn, that looks nice over there. Okay, right here we found some devil's breath. Now this is the stuff that if you smoke, you will go crazy, I guess. I think people have made it into a drug where they can blow it in your face and it can make you into a zombie or something. Vice did a documentary on this, and very interesting flower. I believe this is it. Mitchie thinks so anyways. Well, that was an awesome little adventure. We just got back to the bikes and we're taking off, and it's just about sunset, so maybe we'll catch a nice sunset. Let's ride!